high. simpliRP provides several Monthwise KPIs for management. This depicts overall picture of the organization. There are Monthwise reports of supplier purchase order, purchases, sales, inquiries, quotations, sales order, receipts, payments and expenses. If you go to Monthwise purchases and enter an item code, simpliRP will show the total value of purchases monthwise, with a bar chart. If item code is not entered, system will show all the purchases monthwise. Also there is a link for monthwise GST paid and collected. In that you can see all the purchase GST input credit available and sales GST collected. Likewise, you can also see there are monthwise report on sales also. You can also see receipts. In that cash, check and online flows are categorized. Also there are monthwise expenses payment done with categorization of cash, check and online. These reports will give you overall pulse of your organization. simpliRP is the easiest way to monitor, control and manage your organization. Thank you.